All right. Just want to give you a quick way to run your show. I'll say this way is not really intelligent, but if you have no time and you just want to make your lights move, especially when there's sound, because for this to work, you need external sound, external sound that is very impacting. Now, what you do is when you pick your light, set the address. For example, this is pure white, LED pure white, and is on address 001. And, right here, this one controls address 001. Then I start checking my fader one after the other. This one is not doing anything. Now, basically, when you get packans, the way packans are designed, they're designed in such a way that one of the fader activates the sound mode. So all you have to do as a DJ, as a lighting designer, is to locate that fader that triggers the sound mode of the lights. You press this, you hit it, notice the second one, you hit it, notice the third one, you hit it, notice the fifth one, you hit it, notice the sixth one, you hit it, notice the seventh one, you hit it. This is strobe, so it can be hit to bring down the strobe. You hit this one, hit it, notice, you bring this one, you hit it. So this is it. So for this light, it's on fader 8, on fader 8. So your light can just move sequentially as the music is rolled. So you want to try this. I want you to try it. Get your light fixture and try the fader one after the other. The one that responds to sound, you can just put it on sound mode, and it started shaking, it started working. And one of the way to do that again is getting an auxiliary cord, which I'm gonna drop a video connecting the auxiliary cord to your console, and the port is here. The port is here. I'm sure you can see it. My cord is connected to the part, and after it's connected, you connect it to your sound system, and it starts moving sequentially with music. Now, before that one can work, so you have to turn on this music mode. I will drop that in the next video. Thank you so much. I'm sure you're learning a great deal, and I know that the rest of your life is gonna be the best of your life. Have a great time.